Are you still using old school dilution tables to treat spider veins? I know I was until recently, but there's a better, more accurate way. I'm going to show you how to use a new free app that calculates the perfect sclerosant solution for you every time, helping you achieve better results for your patients. And be sure to stick around to the end because I'm going to share with you 3 essential tips that could save you from making a critical mistake when diluting your solutions. When it comes to treating leg spider veins, microsclerotherapy is the gold standard. And whether you prefer a liquid or a foam sclerosant, whether you prefer Polidocanol or STS, one trend is clear. Specialists are using lower and lower concentrations of solution. This means you're going to have to dilute the sclerosants that come from the pharmacy. But how much saline should you add? Now, in the past, we relied on tables and spreadsheets. I've even made a video recently explaining Enrique Roche's elegant formula for this exact calculation and how you might do it using your phone. I'll put a link in the description box below. Now, I loved this formula so much, I decided to build a simple, free, web-based app that does the maths for you, and automatically. To get this app, there's no sign up and no cookies. Just click on the link to my website and download the QR code to get your app. When you get the app, you just need to enter 3 things. First, the initial concentration of the sclerosant from the ampule. Second, the initial volume. Finally, the concentration you need. When you enter these 3 values into the app, just press calculate and it instantly tells you the exact volume of saline to add. Let's do a calculation. For example, if you have a 2% solution of Polidocanol and you draw up 2 mils, to get a concentration of 0.25%, you have to add 14 mils. There it is. Simple. Now, there are 3 crucial tips for dilution, and as promised, here are those tips to ensure that you're diluting safely and effectively. The first tip is to keep the app handy. I suggest you don't rely on memory, and the easiest way to access the app is to print out the QR code and keep it near the pharmacy cabinet where you get your ampules of sclerosant. You can then scan it with your phone and you're ready to go. I've included a PDF with the QR code in the description box below. The link will take you to my website where you can download the PDF with the QR code already printed on it for free. My next tip is to use saline for all your dilution. While Polidocanol can be diluted with sterile water, STS, sodium tetradecyl sulfate, requires saline. So to avoid any confusion or mistakes, just get into the habit of using saline for both. Plus, many of my colleagues have reported that injections of sclerosants diluted with saline are much more comfortable for their patients. The other tip is to understand the legal implications. Remember, when you dilute a medication or change its physical form from liquid to foam, it's considered off-label or an unlicensed use. You must understand what this means for patient consent and record keeping. I'll be covering this in more detail in a future video, so make sure you're subscribed. Now, I hope you found this video helpful. It's your turn. I've put links to the free app and the downloadable QR code in the description box below. Go ahead, try the app, try the calculations, and let me know in the comments how you're currently diluting your solutions. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my next video.